I rolled up to this party and I saw Cubby Broccoli across the room, and, I had that, that confidence of youth. I went over to him and I said, when are you going to have a decent theme song again? And he said, you want to do it? I said, hell, yes.
Excuse me, aren't you?
Bond, Simon Le Bon.
Duran Duran, I thought that song modernised Bond. It was hipper than it was getting to be at that point.
They were perfect for it, obviously. They were like the embodiment of the 80s and that sophistication, the suits and everything. And it was just like, yeah, of course.
They were big, big Bond fans. I mean, John Taylor knew everything about every Bond movie imaginable.
I was just getting the whole Bond experience. I fell in love with the cars, the clothes, the girls. But over time, you realized how impactful the music was. John Barry was the guy that gave pathos to Bond.
I must have written over 100 songs with John Barry, but I've never written anything with him in the same room. He wasn't very good at collaboration in the traditional sense.
Yeah, I mean, John was amazing, I thought. I mean, he was a dick, but he was an amazing guy.
Sometimes the collaborations that we had him get involved with were challenging for him.
They just used to, I said, well, how do you guys work? I said, oh, we'll meet you at this rehearsal room at 11 o'clock one morning. We went in there. And then they used to sit around, play a bit here, play a bit there, throw out ideas. It was a totally alien way of working.
He was a tricky guy, but he knew what he wanted. He didn't know how to get it politely.
But the song was #1, so...
The piece of music we made was a Duran Duran piece of music, with that beat, that boom, da, da, boom, boom, da. There's a lot of energy in our Bond theme that is still a bit of a rarity.
I think I wrote them as long as I could find something slightly new to do. You had to keep within the bounds, and I think I exhausted the bounds. And that's when I thought I better cut out of the situation.